Hello, it's William from Fine & Country, and we have another unique listing coming to the market very shortly, which is this splendid home, Highfield House, situated on a highly sought after area of Bickington Road. This property is 5 bedrooms, detached and sat on 1/4 acre. Let's go and have a little look around. There is many sizable reception rooms within this property, but for me, the hub of the home is here, the kitchen diner. Skylights, bifolding doors, and a high specification kitchen. Really is quite something. The property itself, including the garage, is 3,400 square feet, so really sizable. Any growing family looking for that extra space. As mentioned earlier, the property is sat on a 1/4 acre with wrapped around gardens, electric gated entrance, ample parking, double garage and this south facing rear garden. It really is a wonderful home. If you'd be interested, give Fine & Country a call on the number below and we'll be delighted to get you a viewing. Thank you.